Within the next 3 minutes, you're going to understand what to prepare for as we go into the open this evening. Of course, we've had the madness with regards to gold and silver. We know that cryptocurrency has taken a bit of a move to the downside, but I'm just going to give you the heads up on what to anticipate when we head into the actual market opens. To get it all started off, you can see that the USDT dominance is soaring right now at 7.19%, and investors are actively taking advantage of the yield that is being generated on the back of the dollar. Of course, with the idea that the Fed bets are coming in saying that they're not going to be expecting any rate cuts coming into March, and that is 2 months from now, with the idea that we're going to keep rates at 3.5, 3.75. Obviously, investors in USDT are now taking their USDT and putting it to work elsewhere as they are generating a higher yield on that. And we look left, you can see we still got another bit of a range up here. So even USDT could actually succeed to go to 7.5%, which will have an impact on cryptocurrency overall. That could lead Bitcoin to go lower and Solana lower, and of course, even Ethereum to break down into those sub 2000 zones. Now, what I've done tonight is the market watch for all the platinum members, and it's a breakdown of what I expect to happen throughout this week, because this week is filled with economic data, and this document right here just explains to them how to approach the week asset by asset, where it's primarily the euro and the NASDAQ, and I do break down Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. So if you want to check that out, head over to the Traders Reality website under the members tab, and you'll be getting access to the market watch where I'm projecting out all the circumstances that we could see happening this week. So in order to prepare yourself for tonight, guys, usually what happens in the CFD market is when there's a big sell-off that happens on a Friday, it can usually lead to gap downs. And a gap down is no different to what you've been seeing in gold and silver as it's been climbing to the upside. So if you look here, we've got a little gap right there that they've actually closed. And as silver's price has been going up, you can see they've been filling out these gaps. And of course, what I'm anticipating this evening is the possibility of another gap down to occur in the actual silver and gold's price. Just paying attention to gold right now, you can see that we've got another gap all the way down here that they were so close to closing at the 4,647. And of course, going into the 4,603. The CME has increased the margins on precious metals going into Monday, the 2nd of February. Now, what we don't know, is it going to be happening this evening at the turn of midnight, or is it going to be happening in tomorrow's market open for the futures, which is at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard? Just be very mindful. Wait until the markets open this evening before you do decide to put on any risk, because any of these margin increases are going to lead to liquidation events for any participants who may not have enough margin in their accounts based on the increase. With that being said, mad love and respect, and I'll be tuning into you all tomorrow. Peace.